So guys, I was just building my own, so I made something like this. I wasn't following a tutorial and I just found out something. When you go here, it only goes 4. But in the middle, almost there. Oh shit, the middle. If you finally hit the middle, you have to hit the middle. This, like that. This, just that. And this, that. That one. Just one. Guys. Okay. Let me show you a tutorial how to make this motherfucker. First, start off the base. First, place that. Let's go here and build one, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just 9, okay, just 9. And then at the third, put the reds here. Put here. Then put this thing so it can fire. I made it quite lower, guys. No, guys, you can just make it high. You can make it high or low, but you can only just want. But do not go high enough because the redstone circuit will not reach it. That is the limit, right, guys? You can just do it little, and then you build 2 blocks here. By that, promise, guys, it will work. And then go back here and make like this. That. Until to the top. Push with gear. And guys, like that, and miss something. And then done. You just put your favorite firework. I like purple. You can just put any firework you want. Plug. Let me plug my gear. Plug. Plug. Let me get some another firework. Plug. Then you grab a bow and arrow. Bow and arrow. Wait. I just
Unsa sulti ito kung maribit?
Ingon siya ang ipagto si mami dito kay naya pakita.
Ha?
Okay. Ingon siya ipagto si mami dito niya hapon kay naya pakita. Look guys. And if I do this in the middle, it goes up. Fireworks. And if this side, one. Here. And then if it's nah. That is the tutorial guys. Bye bye, your bilat. Bilat.